Hello everyone, Jenny here, and I'm going to teach you how to make feature core. The process will also be in the description. Here is the preview. Here are the chords for my intro. And here's the melody. To spice things up, we added a vocal chop to the track. From those elements, we can start to add more effects like these. Then it's an intro. Here is the build-up. The build-up consists of the main scenes, such as these. Here's my chord stack. I also added an arp to make it sound more cuter. It is also important to add the down, down, down to achieve maximum kawaii. I also added the wind chimes to my tracks, as it makes it sound more sparkly and cute. I made the drop lead, and here are the layers. I also added a piston down effect to the drop lead. This is how the build-up sounds. For the drop, I added a lot of chops to the synths and added crashes for extra character. I made sure that I matched the vocal chops to the synths. I added super fast drums. Be sure they are punchy. I also added a lot of effects to make it sound as if a lot is happening. Be sure to sidechain the synths to make the drums sound more punchy, the mix to be cleaner. For the second drop, I did my happy hardcore part. I added the same jumps as before and also added open hat. I layered the drop lead with the rubber top. I also added I also added 2 new elements in my chord stack. And for the second drop, the sidechain is different. I use shaper box and Olafo to the sidechain the hardcore part. I also use shaper box to mix and add the whiters to that part as well. For mixing, take this with a grain of salt as I use inner monitors to mix my tracks. I use shaper box for compression and stereo imaging, Maximus for compression too, ozone, and soft clipper too. Here's the preview. Bye bye!